Franciscos Automotive. If you're watching this video, it's because you live in the city of Newport Beach and you're Volkswagen and you need help. Let me tell you about me. First, let me show you my landscape. This is my landscape, and this is my shop. I have a 10-bay automotive repair shop. I went off on my own in 1985. I worked at one shop from 75 to 85. They concentrated mainly on Volkswagen. So I have quite a bit of background on Volkswagen and also on electrical. Electrical, you cannot fix a Volkswagen without knowing electrical really good, because Volkswagen is way ahead of its time in technology and always has been. Volkswagen had mass-produced fuel injection in the 60s. So in the 70s, when I worked on Volkswagen, I had to fix fuel injection. And also, Volkswagen in the 70s had a plug that if you plugged it in, it's supposed to check the whole car for you. It didn't work very well, but the technology was there. We just didn't implement it correctly. Now, I can work on the latest Volkswagen and Audi, the newest ones. I can also work on the older air-cooled Volkswagens. I still know them like the back of my head. I got a couple of guys that worked on Volkswagen back then too. I do the Volkswagen. I was known as the king of vans and vanagons. 1972, the pancake engine came out. 75, fuel injection. 1980, the Vanagon. 1983, 84, the water-cooled Vanagon came out, and it has evolved, and they are still the leaders of technology. Now, my guys are trained on electrical. They have the equipment. They have the knowledge. We know Volkswagen. We have a Volkswagen scanner. We have the support system. So if you need help on Volkswagen and you live in the city of Newport Beach or anywhere in Orange County for that matter, give us a call, 714-375-2661. And thank you for watching the video.